Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed brakes on a Ram 3500. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including a wrench, a clear hose, and fresh brake fluid. Safety is paramount, so properly secure your truck on jack stands. Always begin by filling the master cylinder reservoir to the maximum line with new fluid. Remember, the bleeding sequence usually starts at the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, often the passenger rear. For manual bleeding, you'll need a helper. Ask them to pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times, then hold it down firmly. While they hold the pedal, quickly open the bleeder screw for a few seconds, watching for fluid and air. Be sure to close the screw before the pedal hits the floor. Continue this sequence at each wheel, moving closer to the master cylinder, until only clear, bubble-free fluid emerges. A pressure bleeder offers a convenient one-person method. First, securely attach the pressure bleeder to your master cylinder reservoir. Then, pressurize the system to about 10 to 15 pounds per square inch, as recommended by your tool's manufacturer. Systematically open each bleeder screw, beginning with the wheel furthest away, allowing fluid to flow until it runs clear. Always keep an eye on the bleeder's fluid level to prevent air from entering the lines. After bleeding all wheels, ensure the master cylinder reservoir is filled to the maximum line. Before driving, always test the brake pedal for a firm, consistent feel. It should not feel spongy. Double-check all bleeder screws and brake lines for any leaks to ensure a secure system. Finally, remember to dispose of the old brake fluid responsibly, adhering to all local environmental guidelines for hazardous waste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.